AREB stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. American Rebel Holdings is already melting, 31% down. It's tough, really tough, but it is what it is. So let's figure this thing out. I mean, I've done 38,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have all the proof to document that thing up. Nobody else has this much videos documented. I mean, show me another person with these types of videos. I bet you won't. But coming back into AREB, we have upcoming reverse split. So most of these ticker symbols are having a reverse split because they don't want to be delisted from the NASDAQ. So even like with the reverse split, this is still the range that we're in, right? Yeah. So that's this. If the price does pick up and shows me like some sort of double break from this supply, then I'm looking to take it down. Other than that, I really am not gonna be bullish because people like to just overcomplicate stuff. I would rather stick to something that has worked for me, right? Goodbye and enjoy. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description.